Concept Schools organizes a leadership summit every summer. All of our school leaders come from our 34 schools. All of the principals, assistant principals, directors of teaching and learning, our superintendents, our coaches, they get together for one purpose: to share their learning, to share their best practices with each other. This is an opportunity for them to learn and also to enjoy their time and learn from each other. At Concept Schools, our big rocks this year are MTSS, multi-tier support systems, and also Danielson framework for teaching. So all of our 42 sessions were around these two big rocks. This year's Leadership Summit, we had 200 school administrators that came from our 34 schools. We also had a keynote speech from Erin Grubel. Leadership Summit is a place where we celebrate our successes and honor our school leaders. This year we honored our school administrators that had more than 5 years or 10 years or 15 or 20 years of service with Concept Schools. Leadership Summit is getting bigger and bigger as we grow as Concept Schools.